What's going on, guys? Balkan Architect here, and again I'm joined by my lovely girlfriend Tamara.
Hi.
And today again we're giving out a book, a competitions Archi or Architectural Competitions yearbook for 2019. Now we already did this giveaway a while back, and now again in partnership with Competitions Archi we're giving out another book, so it's quite cool. Now Tamara is going to help me pick out a winner, one of you guys, out of this giant oversized pool of your Instagram handles, everybody that commented on that post. So let's find the winner.
Here you go.
Okay, here we have a name, and this time I learned from the last time I'm not going to try to pronounce the name because I'm going to make a mistake. But anyways, congratulations to you. And I'm going to be contacting you soon in the DMs, and you're going to get the book. So congratulations, you're getting this book. Well, actually this one that's already packed up. Now for everyone else, if you are interested in this book, it is available on sale on the Competitions Archi. Either go to the Instagram page, or you can find the website somewhere in the description of this video if you're watching this on YouTube. One more thing, if you're interested in fitness, make sure to follow Tamara at Tigress Fitness, both on YouTube and on Instagram. Okay, so that was just a quick giveaway for you guys today, and of course tomorrow we'll be back with another Balkan Architect Revit tutorial. So till then, have a nice day.
Bye.